Hey, my name is Marilyn Dumpson, and I am calling and reaching out to every new realtor in the United States. Okay, I was a rookie realtor before. Now, I know you're asking, what is a rookie realtor? Well, a rookie realtor has been in the business less than 2 years or hasn't sold more than 6 units per year. Okay, and I know you got into real estate to do fabulous things, but the thing about it is, you're a rookie. You're new. Your brokers are busy. Nobody wants to take time to teach you what to do. And you don't want to go back to that 9 to 5. Well, guess what? I can help you because I was in the same shape, in the same predicament that you were in. Okay. And guess what? I was rookie of the year. I sold over $70,000 in 6 months. And I want to be able to help you do the same thing in your business. So hurry on over, look down below in that link, click on my website. I have a rookie class for you. Also, I have a rookie mentorship program for you. Okay, I want to help you catapult your business to the next level because you deserve it. You passed that state exam, you've made it, you've become a realtor, and I want to help you to be successful. All right, I'll talk to y'all soon. Thank you.